Radhe Krishna. Today is Janmashtami and we celebrate it to mark the birth of Lord Krishna. And it's a festival season for India and we have lots of celebrations coming in. So I just thought to prepare a nice whole food plant based platter for as an offering to Lord Krishna. So today I'll be sharing what I have prepared, which of course my whole family would be eating after doing the prayers and after offering it to the God. So this is the platter which I made today and I'll be describing each of the dish. This is basically a dry curry called as made from basically potatoes and pointed gourd and with few basic Indian masalas. This is rich gourd curry made with coconut curd and in that I have added rich gourd. Now this is the roti. Usually people will prefer eating fried puris, but when I'm serving it to my family, I prefer making it roti or just the simple paratha. So this is roti where I have smeared little bit of coconut oil. This is Rajmudi rice, which is again my favorite, and it's basically whole food, has lot of fiber. It's kind of red and brown in color. So this is basically Rajmudi rice, which I would be offering. And these are basically vadas. Originally or traditionally they are deep fried, but I use appe pan to make that. This is being made from sabudana, also known as tapioca pearls. In that I have added sweet potato and bit of coriander, and when you put it on that appe pan, all you need is just 1 drop of oil, and because it already has groundnuts in it, you really don't need so much oil for frying it. Now coming to the sweets, because no festival in India is complete without sweets, but I have tried to make most of them without oil and without ghee, and of course they are whole completely plant based. So this is besan laddu, which is said that Lord Krishna loves these besan laddu a lot. How I have made these laddus is basically, okay, I'm already salivating. To make these laddus, what I have done is I have put dates paste in that with besan. So I dry roasted the besan and then I added date paste with few cashews, and just for the binding I have used 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and I could make around 20 to 25 laddus from half kg besan, which is gram flour. Now this is chikki, another famous dish in India, which I have made using coconut, sesame seeds and groundnuts, and of course there is jaggery. Now this is another speciality which I tried for the first time. These are basically lotus seeds, which instead of dairy milk I have used coconut milk to make this whole thing. So all this platter today I am going to offer to Lord Krishna, and of course my whole family will eat this. This is the time when you have to be with your family. So if you have a chance, please enjoy with them. Because of the lockdown, none of us are going out. So, I just thought to dress up, decorate my house, decorate my temple, and make a nice platter and share it with all of you. Wishing you a very, very happy Janmashtami. And this is Kirti, founder Cook Clean, where we promote everything healthy and plant based. So do join our group. Wish you a very, very happy Janmashtami. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.